In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Northern Mariana Islands. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official payment website at cnmi.epayit.com. Once the page loads, take a moment to look over the information on the screen before you begin. This is especially important when you're paying a traffic citation because the website may include instructions, notices, or reminders about eligibility, processing times, or payment conditions. Reading this section first can help you avoid mistakes and make sure you're using the correct payment option. After reviewing the information, scroll down toward the bottom part of the page. You want to continue until you see the option that allows you to look up your citation or case. When that section appears, click on Find My Case or Citation. This will take you to the search area where you can locate the traffic ticket you need to pay. On the search page, you'll be given a couple of ways to find your case. One option is to search using the case or ticket number. If you have your traffic citation with you, this is usually the fastest and most accurate method. Select the case or ticket number option, then type the number exactly as it appears on your document. Be careful when entering the information, since even a small typo can prevent your case from appearing in the results. If you do not have the case or ticket number available, the site also gives you another option. You can search by entering your name and date of birth instead. This can be helpful if the ticket is not nearby or if the citation number is hard to read. As always, enter your information carefully and make sure everything matches the details on file. Once you've filled in either the case or ticket number or your name and date of birth, click on Search. The system will then look for matching records. If your information was entered correctly, your case should appear in the search results. From there, find the payment page by clicking on the Traffic ePayment or ePayIt tab on the site. This is the section that leads you into the online payment process for your traffic citation. As a final tip, before submitting any payment, double check that you've selected the correct case and review all visible details carefully. That helps ensure you're paying the right citation and can save you time later. And that's how to begin paying a traffic ticket online in the Northern Mariana Islands.